Yes, indeed. So we do expect quite a bit of a conflict between the U.S. and China for a extended period of time. Especially, this is a U.S. election year, and also during in the near future, that U.S. would still be under quite a lot of pressure in terms of trying to contain the virus. But our key argument for the bulk of the conflict to stay verbal in the near term is due to fundamental reasons. Because from the U.S. perspective, the current moment is not the best time to have another round of severe conflict with China, especially when it comes to real activities. For example, if we compare the current shape of the U.S. economy versus the last 2 years during the peak of the trade war, that the U.S. economy is much weaker, and there's very little policies that the U.S. can do which would be harmful to China without hurting the U.S. economy. So in other words, is that whatever real action that the U.S. is taking, China is very likely to retaliate once it gets beyond verbal. But none of these policies will not have any negative impact to the U.S. economy, and therefore it's not the best time. And second, it's again due to the virus, because China has already got the virus largely under control, but U.S. It's still a little bit of struggling with the virus. And China at the moment is the biggest supplier of medical related supplies, and at this stage, it's not a very good idea to step up the tension to the extent that it weakens the U.S. stance to get China medical supplies in the near term. But don't take us wrong. We don't believe we are not expecting the relationship to improve, but we just expect the bulk of the conflict will stay verbal in the foreseeable future.